Hey guys, I literally just walked in from the store. I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing and also a story time. So my name is Tabby. Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to do an unboxing but also a story as to how my bag melted. Well, not how my bag melted. I have a video on how my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 Empreinte leather melted on the airplane traveling from Colorado to Hawaii. We moved here and my bag, the glazing and everything melted on my daughter's sweater, and basically when you grabbed the handles they were like clay. So long story short, I have a whole video on how that happened and how I was a bit nervous as to what I should do as far as like getting it repaired, getting it replaced, I guess it's the same thing, and also hopefully getting store credit. And I guess you guys can probably guess, but I did get store credit. Now it was such a smooth process, but I will go into that kind of like while we're unboxing, so you don't have to like not see what it is. Or do you want to? I don't know. I haven't done an unboxing in so long. So here is the bag, and the reason I'm doing the unboxing now and in such a rush is because my kids want to see the bag. So yeah, I have this, and okay, let's open the bag up first. No, I'm sorry, I'm gonna leave suspense. I'm gonna leave a timestamp right here as to when I unbox the bag because I want to tell you the story real quick. So if you guys are here to hear the update on how I got my bag store credit, it was such a piece of cake. Now if you guys have any issues with your bag, I don't know, I've heard that sometimes people have issues, sometimes it's not like straightforward, you don't get store credit, they replace it, you have to pay for it, who knows. But my experience is I went to the Ala Moana mall. Okay, so I was pretty nervous because I was afraid that they're gonna make me pay. I did buy this bag in 2014, the Speedy 25 in 2014, never had any issues, and then 2 years ago the glazing kind of melted off the detachable strap, and so I went into the Louis Vuitton in Denver at the Cherry Creek Mall, and they were, you know, they exchanged the strap. They didn't mention anything about the bag being like a recall, so I got a new strap, but the handles had no problem at that time. And keep in mind, I wear my bags maybe like a couple hours a day, if that. And when I was traveling, we had my daughter was carrying my Speedy 25 as a carry-on, like a little purse, and she had it, we had it from like, we left at 7 in the morning and didn't arrive in Hawaii until about like 10 o'clock at night, which is like 1 o'clock Denver time. So really like traveling all day. Sure enough, we noticed like the melted glazing on the handles was basically like clay coming off the handles, and then my straps were even more melted, the old strap. I didn't use a new strap because I didn't want to like have any issues with it. So yes, so today we went to the Ala Moana mall. We have a Louis Vuitton store. There's also one 10 minutes away in Waikiki, so if like they were like, oh, you're gonna have to pay out of pocket to fix it, then I would have went to the Waikiki store. And I really had like a positive outlook because I feel like every time I've gone to Louis Vuitton I've had really good customer service. However, I've heard like horror stories too, so thankfully for all of you, like to all of you guys gave me really good advice. One girl was saying that, well, her username is Ariana Grande on YouTube. Thank you. She basically said from like 2013 to 2015 there was a recall on the Speedies and they should give me store credit. And some of you guys were like, no, they need to like either give you store credit or a refund. You shouldn't be able to, you know, pay for it. So I went in the mindset that I was going to get store credit, and I really just, I wasn't going to leave without store credit basically. And so I brought JT with me as my backup. I really wanted to vlog the whole thing, but we only had an hour time and we had to pick up the kids, so I didn't vlog the process at the mall, but I kind of like vlogged like me getting ready to go. So anyways, I walk in, there's like a long line because I guess of COVID and stuff like that, and I met a sales associate. Her name is Jiao Jiao or Chow Chow, Jiao Jiao, and she's so sweet. Oh my gosh, like I literally will be working with her. If you guys are here in Ala Moana, I really like her. I have her card if you guys are interested. I've never had someone that was like so straightforward. Like she was like, We looked at a few bags actually, but let me show you her card information. So I really like her because she's just like really honest and like isn't trying to be like super salesy. She's like, that style is okay, or that's not really my style, but let's figure out what your style is and what you like. And she showed me, and she was so patient. Rewind the night before, I basically went in with the intent of getting store credit and then leaving with a bag. And I really was like, I want the Louis Vuitton Empreinte bum bag. That's all I want. That's all I want. That's all I wanted. I looked on the website. I really honestly didn't like anything, to tell you the truth. However, when I went in, what's her name? Zhao Zhao. I asked her to show me a few bags just in case I might like something. I saw the Xoxo in the like MM size, fell in love. However, the price was $3,500, so no. And then I looked at the multi-accessories Empreinte bag. I fell in love. Oh my gosh. I asked her, I said, do you have the bum bag? And sure enough, she said it just came in today and they had one. And I know that from like other people's experience that the bum bag is really hard to find, so they say. And so she literally said it came in this morning. So I looked at it and I tried it on and I immediately like loved it. Now the store credit that I got was 8 years ago in 2014, I bought the Speedy 25 for $2,840. And I ended up leaving with the, you'll see, it is, let me open it right now. So anyways, Zhao Zhao was basically saying that, and here's a little like card, let me take this off. Zhao Zhao was basically saying that because she knew of the issue with the Speedies from 2014 to 2016 having recall issues, she basically said she'll give me store credit. It was like within a minute. She was so nice. How do you open this box? Does it just slide open? Oh, it just opens like this. And can you guys guess what it is? Oh, it's a magnetic box. Sorry, thumbnail. I got the Louis Vuitton Empreinte leather bum bag. And what is this? A blackish blue? I guess similar to the color I had with my Speedy. Oh, it's so pretty. And then the inside has the yellow mustard lining. Oh my gosh. The back is like this with a little zipper. So I ended up getting this Speedy, not Speedy, I got rid of my Speedy, they took it back. And I ended up getting this. This is the bum bag, and it ended up being $1,970. I have a gift card for the remaining store credit, which is $910. So yeah, I'm excited. I have $910 store credit. I do not know what I want because honestly, when I went in, I was like, I don't really like anything on the website. But going in and looking at things, I really like the Xoxo in the MM size. $3,500, a little hefty price for me, so not sure. But I really like the multi-pochette or accessories, I don't know what it's called, in the Empreinte. So I don't know, but I don't know if I'll get that because again, and that price was $21.90, I believe. So this, I cannot believe this was only, to tell you the truth, I know it's a lot of money, but $1,900 compared to the $2,800 from 8 years ago. So I carried my Speedy 25 for 8 years. Didn't have issues until about 2 years ago with the detachable strap, and then recently with the whole bag. And they were so good. The manager like came and exchanged it. Everyone was so nice. I love this Louis Vuitton store, and even the guy that like checked us in, he was so nice. They're very nice there, and such a great experience. So I left and got this, easy peasy, no issues whatsoever. And of course they did look up like our information and saw that we bought it 8 years ago in 2014. So for me, it's like, honestly, this was a blessing in disguise because I loved the Speedy 25 while I had it, and it was amazing while I had it, but keep in mind my kids were younger. Atlee was like a little, like, not even born, but then I had younger kids, and so that 25 Speedy was like more my style because it's bigger, I could put things in. But now all 3 kids are at school and I don't need anything but for stuff for myself, and so this is so perfect. And like I said, the lifestyle here, I have tons of belt bags or bum bags, but I just don't have a luxury one. So riding my bike, going like more outdoorsy things, more casual has been more my vibe. I just think this is very much me. So yeah, and I totally wouldn't mind, like, and here you can wear it like this. And sorry, I'm like filming in like a different room because everyone else is home and it's loud. And then also you can wear it, obviously, I could wear it like this too, and everyone thinks it's like dorky this way, but I'll wear it like that. I don't care. Shoot, I actually thought this bag was a lot bigger. Maybe it's a monogram because I've seen the monogram in real life and I felt like it was bigger than this. This is like such a good size for me. I'm 5'2" and a healthy 135. So that's it, guys. I know this was a very, very chatty video, but I wanted to like give you guys my story as to what happened when my bag melted, and how smooth the process was, considering I know sometimes people have like issues. Who knows? I guess maybe Chanel has more issues. I don't know. Or maybe LV, just depending on circumstances. But because there was a recall issue, it was very smooth. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I have not put anything in this bag, or obviously because I just opened it, so I don't know much, really anything about it. So if you guys are interested in what's in my bag, a review, a little bit more like in depth on this bag, let me know. I know it's been around for quite a bit of time, so if it's oversaturated, then, but I will put my little input into it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.